Here I have UMIDIGI A9, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key and volume power key and volume up at the same time, like this. And that's how you enter boot mode. Here at the boot mode, you can use volume up key to navigate through the menu and volume down to select options. Let's select. Here you have such options as recovery mode, FastBoot mode and normal boot. If you want to exit this mode, just select the last option, normal boot, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.